What's up, Faith family? Jarvis Guy of Warrior Jarvis YT here, and I'm sad to report that I've received a notification. I've been infected with the Marburg virus. There's blood coming out of my nose, coming out of my eyes. It's a mess, and just letting you guys know that this isn't just the end of Voyage Arts YT. This is the end of America, because as everybody knows, everybody who has received the shot has had a chip implanted in them that was activated by the notifications, and so now every vaccinated person has the Marburg virus, and we will all be dying very soon. So yeah, no, this is the end of society. Society has completely collapsed. That's why I'm looking outside right now. I still see cars on the street. The power is still on. The internet's still working, but this is a societal collapse. This is it for true American patriots. So I'm sorry, guys. I'm not a true American patriot. Well, I mean, first of all, I'm black, so you don't see too many of them. But every single pure unvaccinated person, it's over for you because the government is gonna round you up. They're gonna take you into FEMA camps, and yeah, no, you're gonna be disemboweled in the dog food section of Walmart. So I'm sorry to report, but you should have just gotten the Marburg virus. Like, okay, no, I'm just playing. In reality, I did get the weird fucking nationwide alert thing that they sent out a while ago. And I really did just want to talk about some of the conspiracies I've seen around this, specifically the Marburg virus one, because I think it's just clear proof that the average American is not living in reality. It's like all of us are in a state of arrested development, so we just literally believe things that would be like the plot of some crappy like NBC medical show back in the 90s. Like, I'm completely serious. Like, all this stuff about some emergency alert activating a Marburg virus. How the hell do you even think that works, bro? How do you even think that works? Like, genuinely, these people think that the government is competent enough to build a chip into people that will just kill half the population. Like, do they not realize that the government only exists to collect money from the citizens? That's super weird to me. So it's like, if you kill half the population or whatever percentage of the population got vaccinated, then you're losing out on half of your money. And there would be no point for the government to exist if they weren't making any money. So what the it's absolutely ridiculous. It's just people are far too willing to believe anything they see online. And I mean, obviously it's sad, it's pathetic, but really it is just kind of funny because you have these innocuous things happen, and then the people just go absolutely nuts over it. They see a simple alert on their phone, like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh, the world's ending, oh my god, everybody has the fucking Marburg virus. And I'm like, oh my god, bro, how about you calm the fuck down, Stacy? Go do some Pilates, man. Calm yourself down. It's kind of crazy too, because when I first got the alert, it was at a very inconvenient time. It was like the worst possible time to get the alert, but I eventually looked at it and it was in Spanish. And I was like, "Oh my God, you got these certain types of people out here. They see the alert is in Spanish, and they say, "Oh my God, the Mexican government has hacked my phone. They've hacked the emergency alert systems. Oh my God, this is the code 69 situation." And in that moment, it was just funny imagining someone going crazy over it. But it was also kind of sad because then you realize that people actually will go crazy over seeing like an emergency test message in Spanish. They go absolutely nuts. And then a minute later, a second message came through that was in English. I have my theories as to why I got the Spanish one first. I don't know if everybody got that, but I do have a theory on why I got the Spanish one first, and I don't think it's anything particularly sinister or disingenuous on behalf of the government. It's like it's absolutely insane. The same people that say the government is trying to do everything they can to kill us through, weird embedded psychological chips that, when activated, give everybody the Marburg virus. Like, the government is even capable of doing something that intelligent. Or the old rumor that was going around that Jade Helm 15 was a way to, kidnap and torture all Republicans and create a Democrat ethno state. I don't know what to call it. And I remember this when I was really young. There was a really weird theory back in the day that Walmarts were being used as FEMA camps. to capture, all non-Obama supporters and like torture them and re-educate them. And it's honestly not that funny. It's honestly not that funny because if this actually did happen, then you'd have like a sizable portion of the population, being tortured for not believing in Obama. But when you say it out loud, it seems sort of ridiculous. But there were people that vehemently believe this. This is absolutely insane. I went to school. And look, before I wrap things up here, I just want to make it real clear. I'm not the biggest fan of the U.S. government. They've done a lot of stupid stuff over the years, and they haven't always acted in the ways that I think they should have acted. Yeah, no, personally, I don't believe the government is dumb enough to just eliminate so many of their citizens and sacrifice out on so much tax revenue. I mean, you just look at the stuff that Biden is doing, all these new IRS tax agents. It's like you literally cannot deny that the government is a giant money making scheme. And hey, you know what? They can do whatever the heck they want. Like there is nothing I can do to stop them. They're the ones in control. But you know what, man? If you're a true American patriot, or you made it this far in this video, then you know what? If you think that fighting back is gonna do anything, then I don't know. I'm just as powerless to stop you as I am to stop the government from allegedly killing every vaccinated person with a Marburg virus. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? The Marburg virus. If you look up the Marburg virus on YouTube, you'll find like these stupid emergency alert system scenarios. Is that where they're getting this shit from? Like they're confusing Noel Dorito videos of real life? Absolutely insane. Either way, man, I'm Jarvis Guy, Voyager RCYT. I just wanted to talk about this monumental event in human history. Society is over. The Marburg virus has taken over. As I speak, blood is coming out of my mouth. Oh, I just crapped out a little bit of blood. Oh, my eyes are. Oh no, they're bloodshot red. They're bleeding. Oh my God. Okay, anyway. Yeah, anyway, man, I've been Jarvis Guy, Voyager RCYT. Stay tuned for more diecast content. And after I finish taking some acting classes, I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.